Hi, welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm Andy. Today we've got a Golf R in for a couple of modifications. Modifications include upgraded intercooler, induction kit and a full Milltek stainless steel exhaust system designed to increase the power and give it a more aggressive tone. It is also having a Remap Dyno. Right, now the old one's removed, here's the new Milltek full system. Go and swap the valves over and get it fitted to the vehicle. As you can see, the Milltek exhaust is all fitted. What we're going to do now is get the car off the ramp, get it on the dyno, strap it down, and we'll see what gains it's made. Right, now the Golf's strapped down on the dyno, we'll do the final run, see what it makes, and then we'll take it out on the open road and see what the exhaust sounds like.